Hi everyone, how are you doing? So today's video, I debated not even doing it first because as you'll see, it's a little bit late, but you know what? I think late is better than never. So today I am unboxing the Winter Walmart Beauty Box. So if you have not yet heard of the Walmart Beauty Box, this is only $5. So really it is just free and then you pay shipping. You pay $5 flat shipping. You may have heard this before, but don't worry, Walmart is a legitimate company. It is not like the Babe Box that says you get a free box, just pay shipping, but really you're tied into another box and it's an entire scam. If you have no idea what I'm talking about, I will link below my video about that box, that scam box that is being widely advertised all over Facebook. I want to get the word out, so yeah, don't get the Babe Box. But that's not what this video is about, but if you're interested, definitely check it out in the description box. So this is what the Walmart Beauty Box looks like. It has that Walmart logo, at least I'm pretty sure that's the Walmart logo. It would make sense if it is. So I have no idea what comes in this, despite it being a few months old. I don't think I've seen any videos. I used to get this box. I was subscribed and then I think my card changed or something like that, and I don't remember ever getting an email telling me to update my billing information. Maybe they don't do that. But then a few weeks ago I got an email asking if I wanted to resubscribe, and I was like, sure, why not? So that marketing ploy works for me because I was like, you know, it's $5, it's not bad. I clearly love opening boxes and it's a beauty box, so let's get unboxing. I think they have two different options. Like, I want to say one's called like the Trendsetter, and then there's like a classic box, and they kind of go based off your age. And they do have a bit of a beauty profile, so when you sign up you can put in your preferences like your hair color, like skin and hair conditions, stuff like that. I'm going to leave their link in the description box if you are interested. You will see the beauty quiz when you sign up. So when I open it, this is what I see. The first thing is by Pantene, and this is the Intense Rescue Shots ampule. It's a treatment that targets extreme damage, helps prevent split ends. So it looks like you use this after you wash your hair and condition it. You apply it to damp hair and massage from mid-lengths to ends, and then you rinse thoroughly. So this is like a third step in the shower, I guess. So this is what the outer packaging looks like. Let me take it out. This will be nice if you want to like grow your hair out and not get it cut all the time. I recently did get a haircut, so I don't really think I have split ends right now, but it's definitely possible. I definitely did before I went in to get a quick trim. So yeah, so this is 15 mLs, 0.5 fluid ounces, and I don't think you need too much, at least if you have hair like mine. If you have a bunch of hair, maybe you go through this quickly. But yeah, I'm excited to try it out. And it's weird, it says dispense ampule into hand. Or am I just like saying that word wrong? Sorry, it's kind of shiny. The A-M-P-O-U-L-E, dispense ampule into hand. Let me Google that word. Okay, yeah, it is ampule. And an ampule is a small sealed vial which is used to contain and preserve a sample. So I guess you're supposed to use this entire thing? I don't know. Just thought I'd let you guys know. I was a pharmacist and we didn't spell ampule that way, but anyways, let's move on. The next thing I've actually been using, so I won this in a giveaway. I'm guessing Nikki maybe got this in this box. This is the Curel Hydrotherapy Wet Skin Moisturizer, and I leave this in my shower and I apply it right before I step out, and a little bit does go a long way. So this is a moisturizer like the name implies, and you do apply it to completely wet skin. And since your skin is wet, it spreads out a lot easier and you don't need as much. The first time I used it, I used too much. And you're not supposed to wait or anything, you just get out and towel dry and that's it. And I did notice my skin being smoother, and I'm excited to have another one. This will last a while. This is 2 fluid ounces, so I don't think, well, I'm pretty positive this is not full size, but I've used it for several days and I barely made a dent in my other one, so I'm definitely happy to have this. And then there's just 2 pieces of paper that say Hydration Hero. I'm guessing we're supposed to just have one, but I think that is the theme of this winter Walmart Beauty Box. So that is what it looks like. And apparently you can take a survey and win $100 and you tell them what you think of this. The next thing I see is like a foil packet. This is Olay Daily Facials Daily Hydrating Clean Grapeseed Extract, a 5-in-1 cleansing power of a makeup remover, scrub, toner, mask, and cleanser. Just add water. Oh, so it looks like it's like a pad and you add water and then it like foams up. You can kind of see it in the picture there. I think I've heard of these types of things before, but I've never used it. I do use makeup remover wipes, but I don't have to moisten them. They're already wet. And it says, our exclusive cloths are specially textured with soft cleansing pockets to break up visible and invisible residues for a complete clean. It removes dirt, oil, makeup, even mascara, 2 times better than basic cleansing. Smooth skin as it cleanses with soft fiber polishers, and it replenishes skin's natural hydration as you cleanse. Okay, I'll definitely give this a shot. I find that sometimes my toners and my makeup removers don't always get out all my mascara, so if it does that, that's something I would consider purchasing in the future. Oh, and here's a sheet of paper that goes with the first item, that Pantene Pro V Intense Rescue. So this is a single dose tube. That seemed pretty big, but it says, this brand's most potent repair product yet. The single dose tube contains a deeply absorbing blend of pro vitamin B5, strengthening lipids, and natural glycerin that targets the damaged areas to give hair the flexibility and resilience it needs to endure styling and environmental stresses, resulting in salon-like hair between professional treatments. Oh. So you're supposed to use this weekly in place of your normal conditioner. Okay, that makes more sense now, I guess, but that does seem like a lot. So here it is right here. But I guess you just put a lot in your hair, use once a week, so they must just come in like this size, like a whole box of them. I don't really know how it is full size, but I'm excited to try it out. I'm gonna wait till my hair seems a little bit more drier and damaged to use it. Ooh, cool. The next thing I see is a Unicorn Glow hologram mask. It's supposed to detoxify and brighten your skin. And there's actually a unicorn on it, and this is a sheet mask. So it looks like it actually is going to be like a unicorn colors, like different colors and holographic, judging by the back of it. So it looks like you just use it like a normal sheet mask, clean your skin, leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. That is what the back of it looks like. So when I use this, I'll probably like snap a photo and put it on my Instagram stories or Snapchat. So if you are not already following me on my other social media, all those links are definitely in the description box. They always are there. And next up, it looks like there's a shampoo and conditioner in a foil packet. I honestly rarely use the foil packets, so they don't really add much value to me. I like the travel size shampoos for sure, the ones that are like actual teeny bottles. Sometimes I find when I'm in the shower and I try and open these, I just can't when my hands are wet. So I definitely have to remember like open it a little bit before I step in the shower. Does anyone else have that problem, or do I just have like weak wet hands? I don't know. But so this is the Whole Blends Gentle Shampoo and Conditioner. It says Oat Delicacy, so it's made with oat milk and rice cream extracts. It's paraben free and tested on sensitive scalps. It soothes, hydrates, and protects. So yeah, that is what this looks like. And there is the back side if you're interested in seeing that. It's very reflective. Oh, it looks like we have one more thing, and it's actually a bag. So it's like a makeup bag. On one side of it, it looks like there is like the Walmart logo. And then the other side looks like there's like raindrops. This kind of seems like springy, because like raindrops, I would think like spring's coming, like it's gonna rain and flowers are gonna bloom. But I don't know. Let's see what it looks like inside. I don't think Walmart bags or boxes usually come with bags, so this is exciting. I guess this alone would probably make the value go up a little bit, you know? So $5, you know, but we'll talk about that in just a moment. So this is what it looks like on the inside. There's no other like little pockets or anything like that. Just a typical makeup bag. Let's see if we can fit some stuff in here. Like the mask and the hair stuff won't fit, but yeah, so this is okay. I mean, I have so many bags, honestly, I don't need this, but I think it definitely does add value to the bag. So I am excited to try this facial cleanser, and definitely the sheet mask. Sheet masks are usually a couple dollars each, so that adds value. I honestly don't know if I'll use this. I'll keep it around just in case I like run out of shampoo or something. I don't know. I am excited to try this Pantene thing, this new Intense Rescue Shot. like I said, I'm gonna wait till my hair is a little bit more damaged. I just got it cut a few weeks ago, so, and I am trying to grow it out, so I think it'll be cool to try in between cuts and see if it helps so I can even go longer without cutting my hair. And like I said, I am excited to have this because I already use it and I like it. Have you guys tried this before? I think it's awesome. So I think that is everything. So $5 Walmart beauty box. Do you guys think it was worth it? I'd love to hear your opinions. Definitely leave a comment down in the description box. And I've been asking you guys, also leave a comment if there is a subscription box you would love to see me unbox on our channel. I really want to try new boxes this year. So if you have an idea, I would love to hear it. But anyways, thank you so much for unboxing with me. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.